Acne and face yoga. Does it really help you? And how can you practice face yoga without touching your pimples too much? When you start massaging and exercising your face, you also enhance blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. And this is vital for starting all this process underneath your skin to heal your acne faster and also give you that glow and reduce also acne accumulation. In fact, look at these ladies who started the All You Can Face program and how they glow up. Let's see how you can do it if you already have acne. Overall, try to avoid the areas which are inflamed and move around it. Don't touch it and really reduce the friction with your hands. In fact, maybe stick more to facial exercises rather than massages where you're gliding across your face to release the tension. Stick to facial exercises where you're working out certain muscles. And this is, for example, for the under eye, for the cheeks, for the forehead muscle, so you are not touching the pimples and you can still work out your face. This, of course, will only move the needle in your skin if you have also a decent skincare routine. So look into gentle exfoliation, cleansing your face regularly but gently, and use SPF daily.